Today, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious homemade pistachio cream paste. It's perfect for spreading on cakes, filling pastries, or even enjoying by itself. Start with 1.5 cups of pistachios. Spread them evenly on a baking tray and roast them in the oven at 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. Once roasted, transfer them to a towel and rub gently to remove the skin. This helps get a smooth, vibrant green paste. Now place the peeled pistachios in a food processor or blender and start blending. Keep blending until the pistachios release their natural oils and start coming together. Now add a pinch of salt, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and 2 tablespoons of fresh cream. Blend again. To get a smoother consistency, I'll add another 5 tablespoons of fresh cream, making it a total of 7 tablespoons. Blend it until you reach your desired consistency. I prefer a thick paste, but if you want it runnier, you can add more cream or a little milk. Now, transfer it into a clean jar. You can use this as a cake filling, spread it on toast, or mix it into desserts. Check the description box below for the full recipe, and let me know how yours turns out. Want more crunch? Just add a sprinkle of crushed pistachios on top. And that's it. Homemade pistachio cream paste. Let me know in the comments how you'd use it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes.